outside, active, Wagwan viewers. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah, man, we're outside. I'm gonna take care of this Tesla, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can safely go about doing a contact wash with only one bucket. Let's get straight to it.
Clean Car Chris, funny vibes. Hear this.
All right, first things first, we're gonna start taking care of the wheels, right? But you guys might be wondering, you usually probably see me do the 2-bucket method. However, lately I've been really thinking about minimalizing and just being more efficient overall as a detailer and kind of removing myself from industry hype. And you know, you have to do it one particular way versus the other. And if this person is doing it that way and you're not doing it that way, then it's automatically wrong. I feel all of that is just the furthest from the truth, pretty much. And there are multiple ways you can go about detailing a car, you know, safely and correctly. You know, it's just not one way. So I'm gonna take care of the wheels, and then I'm gonna, you know, do a little pre-treatment on the body of the vehicle, and then I'm gonna show you guys how you can go about safely washing with one bucket. Let's do it.
Shine up the right brand new every time. Clean Car Chris make the whip look fine. Gloss pan the tire chrome start to gliss. Nobody do it like Clean Car Chris. Shine up the right brand new every time. Clean Car Chris make the whip look fine. Gloss pan the tire chrome start to gliss. Nobody do it like Clean Car Chris. Clean Car Chris. Clean Car Chris make the whip look fine. Clean Car Chris make the whip look fine. Gloss pan the tire chrome start to gliss. Nobody do it like Clean Car Chris. Clean Car Chris, nobody do it like Clean Car Chris.
Yeah, man, the wheels are done. It's super hot out here. I tell you, that's why I had to pull out the tent. But you gotta check your panels, you know. Some of the panels are still in the sun. So you can feel them, they're pretty warm. So what you can do, what I'm going to do, is just mist down the panels. Hopefully that will take some of the heat off of them. And then I'm gonna go ahead and foam it up. I got a little bit of pearl in the foam can and mixed with a little bit of green star just to help break up some of this grime because the exterior is pretty hammered. So, like I said, we got the pearl, a little bit of green star. All right, we're gonna make that go on dwell for a little bit. And then when we're rinsing now, we'll rinse off a lot of the grime that had built up on the paint. And then after, we're gonna go ahead and wash with the one bucket. So let me give you a little pre to the thing while I go on. Got the wash bucket, got the pearl soap in here. Use any soap you like. I love the pearl. And then I have multiple wash mitts. The idea is you're gonna go in and use multiple wash mitts, and just as you use one, you pretty much discard it. So you're not dunking anything back into the bucket itself. So I find myself using 3 mitts, and I have like maybe 2 or 3 microfibers. I use the microfibers for the lower panels. And remember, guys, you can always go so with your microfibers. Technically, you have 8 sides to them, right? But I only use 4. So when you fold it like this, you have 1, 2, and then you go so. And now you have 3, 4, right? So you can actually reverse it like this also, and then go bam. Then you have another side again. Then you have 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? But I usually just do 4, right? So I use these for the lower panels and then use the mitts for the upper panels. Anyhow, I'll explain further when I'm actually doing that. So I think we've let this dwell long enough. So let's rinse it off and then get to the contact wash. All right, so now we're finally getting into the contact wash phase, right? You guys are probably saying, oh my gosh, Chris, you know, you're gonna call the National Detailers Association on me for not using 2 buckets and all of this nonsense, right? However, guys, let me show you. Like I explained earlier, yeah, man, we have multiple towels. So let's get straight to work, man. And guess what? I'm gonna start with the bottom panels first. Why not? you know, you're supposed to start from the top down, they say. Okay. That's fine and dandy, but doing the lower panels first. In my opinion, there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, we have the clean side here for the paint work. And then we can flip to the other side here. Well, the lower trim area, which is probably hitting most of the debris. And flip again to another cleaner area. And get the lower part here. I'm just rinsing along as we go because it's so hot out here, right? Right, and we have our remaining clean side on this towel. We can finish up here. And then catch the front. Right, just like so. And now, to me, this is done. I'm not gonna use this one anymore. So I just disregard it. All right, so we're grabbing another clean micro just to finish up the lower panels on this side. You know what I already did here? Let's come around. Catch the pins. Flip to another side. Catch the real lower area, just like we did on the other side. All right, flip again to another clean side. All right, just like that. You know, and boom, all the lower panels are done all around the car, just like that. You know, then again, we're just trying to be more efficient. All right, so going for another clean one. And let me just state that, you know, using a high quality, nice pH neutral soap. I love the Pearl because it's great for hot weather and its lubricity is way up there. So, you know, if you guys are saying, oh my God, he's not even foaming the car while he's doing the contact wash, then again, you're falling into industry hype. There again, I think, don't get lost in the sauce, my people, right? If you're really that concerned with the thing, you can go so. Check this out. The panels, you can just squeeze some of the soap out on the panel. And that, you know, in a sense, is like, just adds a little layer of lubrication. But, you know, the panels are pre-treated already. Most of the gunk and grime is already gone. You see me? So, I usually just like to catch the whole front here, front glass here. You know, and then catch a roof same time. And even the back glass, why not? You can flip it at two sides on the mitt. I mean, it's so hot. I can still, even though we're under the tent, I can still feel the panels are still pretty warm. The Pearl is good for conditions like these. Let's get the back here. All right. Boom, this mitt done. Drop that there, so. All right, so far, I hope you're catching the drift. As of right now, no contaminated mitt has touched the panels. You know, we keep swapping mitts. You can take care of the back area here with this mitt. Fresh mitt again. And I got the lower panels already, so we don't have to worry about that. See there, Clean Car Chris. People, take a minute. Check out the logo. And also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Clean Car Chris. I post a lot of cool content there too. All right. And we still have one clean side to this mitt. So what I'm gonna do is do the mirrors with this clean side here. All right, I have another clean side here. I'm gonna take care of this side panels, right? And the lowers are already done. So just come down like this, right here. And don't worry, guys, you're not scratching the paint. You're not doing damage once you're using the clean wash medium, quality stuff, and then using a good quality paint, and you pre-treated the paint before. I mean, how much can you really do, right? So this one is done. Boom. All right, so right now we only have one more mitt left, and that's gonna take just enough to take care of the opposite side here. Boom, bam. Bam, see? So at no point did any dirty wash medium touch the panels. Bam, and just like that, my people, I just showed you how you can go about washing a car using one bucket safely, right? So it's just another option, people. Nothing wrong with the 2-bucket method, but nothing wrong with trying different styles, different processes, different techniques, and adapt them to your style, your personality. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys found this informative. Do not report me to the National Detailers Association, or if you do, me no business, car. Me not do nothing wrong. Me just try show some love, So big up on yourself every time. Clean Car Chris every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Like, share, subscribe every time.
Clean Car Chris, on the vibes. Hear this.